Going to the meet.
What meet?
For the little girl.
What little girl?
I don't know her name. We gotta make her dreams come true.
That's right, that's what I'm talking about. This is what Big Old Crew's about. Everybody come together for one same reason. Damn, Ramon. Check out Ramon's new ride.
Thank you, thank you.
Haven't seen this guy on this channel forever. Look. Sold the freaking Ram. Now he has this thing. Damn.
Alright. No spots on?
Alright, we just got some gas. Okay, so today is the meet over in Santa Ana for a little girl. We created a little care package for her. Hooked her up with two Big Old Crew shirts. Her favorite truck is a Silverado, a red Silverado, so we got her the candy clone shirt. We got her favorite snacks, sweets, soda, and some decals. Yeah, baby, huh? Yay. So we're gonna head out there right now. It is about 10:20 already. The meet doesn't start till 1, but the last time we attempted to go to a meet like this, we weren't even able to see the little boy. So we're going early, especially since it's farther than the last one we went to, just so we could be there on time and I'll actually be able to give her this care package. Even if we don't make it, because of it being too packed or whatever, I spoke to their mom. I spoke to the girl's mom, got her address. I found out all her favorite sweets, her favorite color, her favorite truck and everything. That's how much it does, because that's why I know. If anything, we could probably just drop this off at our house some other day, but we are going to attempt to see her today and everything. Catch some video of her seeing all the trucks, you know, being happy and everything. So this is what Big Old Crew is about. This is what I wanted it to be. Pretty much the whole community coming together for one same reason, to make like how we're all getting together just for one girl so she could be happy. Damn, that is pretty high. Other than that, we're just grabbing some ice right now and we'll be on our way. We're early, guys, and it's already pretty packed. I'm assuming that this whole street is gonna be freaking packed, bro, because we're pretty much at the end of it right now. All types of cars and trucks, bro. Alright, Ramon, what's going on? What are we doing here?
We're gonna come for a good cause. It's for a girl that has cancer and she wants this to happen, so we're here to support.
That's right. So that's what it's all about.
Making dreams come true.
Look at the sound, look at the sound.
like that Jetta, bro. Look at the one in the back. Oh, that hit her on. What's that smell? That's like a 6 in the front, no? Oh. Dude, that thing's like harder than me, bro.
La de la brown hood?
That's gonna be your fucking little toy car.
Me dicen el presidente porque siempre estoy al pendiente de la gente y la clica que me respalda. Siempre están al tiro, no se les va ninguna. LB es mi terreno, por esas calles me navego. Solo me rodeo con gente leal y si me traicionan saben que les va mal. Aquí cambia el estilo, gente buena está conmigo. Reflexiono en el pasado y mis metas yo persigo. Recuerdo desde morrillo, trabajando con estilo. Lo poco que me ganaba se los daba a mis tíos.
Alright guys, so the meet has officially started. It is already freaking packed. Like there's no parking anywhere near the grill right here. Pretty much the whole street down that way. This way is starting to get packed as well. Man, it's looking like a freaking awesome turnout, man. This is what I'm sure, speaking for everybody, we love to see this. Marvin the Martian. Oh, look like the brown hood. OBS style right here.
Stickers only. You should just brought stickers only.
I didn't come to sell, I came to support.
Hold on, I want to have my backpack on.
Nah, I should go follow.
Was it a Forester bib? No.
Yeah, the Forester
No, I wanted a
XT.
Preza. I wanted.
This is clean.
That's awesome.
Oh, the color.
soy tu